This is one of the best ways to unlock your low back, reverse a disc herniation, and cure sciatica. If you sit a lot, have pain bending forward, or feel sciatica shooting down your leg, then your disc is stuck in the exact position that's creating this pain in the first place. And I will show you what that is, how it happened, and how to fix it. My name is Dr. Grant Elliott, founder of RehabFix, and we've helped thousands with low back pain, disc herniations, and sciatica fully recover through our one-on-one online coaching program. And in this episode, I'm going to teach you a simple two-part approach that reduces the disc bulge and then rebuilds the disc so you can finally see immediate, real-time results that actually last. Okay, so if your low back pain increases when you bend forward, the longer you sit, coughing or sneezing, and you have radiation down the leg, then you're dealing with a disc bulge or herniation. Now, don't freak out. 97% of disc herniations can resolve without surgery. And in our online low back program, we literally fix these every day. So I'm gonna walk you through this. The reason this typically happens isn't because of the one time you bent forward to pick something up or you lifted heavy and you felt a pop. It's usually due to an accumulation of too much sitting and too little moving. Think about it. If majority of your life you're spent sitting in a bent position, doing things that involve bending forward, then your spine is getting a lot of flexion throughout your day and throughout your life. However, if you're not getting much movement throughout your life and you're certainly not getting much extension, which is going the opposite way, then you're not balancing out these forces. And when your spine undergoes flexion, meaning bending forward, that puts pressure on the backside of the disc. And the most common type of disc herniation is a posterior disc bulge, meaning it's pushing backwards. So the more you bend forward and the less you bend back, the more your disc slowly moves further and further and further backwards until there's a moment where you bend forward to pick something up or you lift something heavy, or maybe you're just gardening and you feel that pop. And when this happens, it can just create low back pain, or it can contact a nerve root. And when it hits a nerve root, it can create shooting pain down the leg, numbness, tingling, electric shock-like sensations, or even a fiery sensation. This can be anywhere in your glute, thigh, shin, foot, or toes. But remember, sciatica is not a leg problem. The pain might be in your leg, but that's not where the issue is. The issue is coming from the lower back where the disc is hitting the nerve. Hey, real quick, I know you're struggling with pain and obviously want to fix it. So if you just text me the word pain to 317-751-9509, I will send you my free back pain fix demo. Just text that number and you can fix your pain. Thank me later. Back to the show. So I'm going to show you how to reverse this disc bulge by reintroducing extension-based movements, but that is not enough. We need to then stabilize it so it stays that way. And that's the reduce and rebuild approach. So here's one of the best exercises to reduce a disc bulge. You're going to grab a towel. You can also grab a bed sheet or even a yoga strap. You're going to lay on your stomach. You're going to pull that tight across your lower back, laying on your stomach. You're going to pin it under your hands. And now you're going to push up into a cobra-like pose so that this object, whether you have a towel, bed sheet, or whatever, it's pulling your lower back into the floor. It's not allowing your hips to raise off the ground. Now you might not be able to push that far to start, and that's okay. You're just going to push to tolerance. But what this is doing is it's putting the most amount of pinpointed pressure in your lower lumbar spine where those discs are bulging and causing the pain. If we can isolate the pressure directly on top of them, it'll help them reduce the fastest because we're targeting the right area. Now, one of the key things is to not flex your lower back and to not flex your glutes while you do this. You want to be totally relaxed and slowly push up and down as you perform this. This is not a stretch you hold. In fact, that can irritate some individuals, which is why yoga classes can commonly irritate individuals with disc herniations. And also just because they're doing a wide array of movements. We don't want to throw a million different movements at your disc. We want to do the one that's going to make it better and avoid the ones that could make it worse. So with this movement holding the towel, push up and down gently, attempting to go further over time, slowly restoring that mobility that you've lost. Because this is the opposite of flexion. Now remember, flexion slowly works the disc backwards. So this movement, extension, slowly works the disc back forward. And rep by rep, it'll move that disc little by little by little back where it needs to go, away from the nerve that it might be hitting. Now, your mobility will come back and your pain will start to reduce and you will start to feel way better. But mobility without stability doesn't last. If you don't stabilize the disc after unlocking it, you might find yourself in a pain cycle. So here's a highly effective exercise to stabilize your spine, stabilize your disc, and lock these results in. Land your back next to a wall. The wall should be about a foot away from your head. You're gonna put your hands on the wall, lift the legs in the air, low back flat into the floor, keep the knees bent, and you're going to push your hands into the wall with about 20 pounds of pressure. Now, keeping the low back flat into the floor, you're gonna slowly rotate one leg down at a time, tapping the heel on the floor, alternating each side. If you keep your low back flat into the floor, this is what will engage your intra-abdominal pressure in your internal spine stabilizers. This teaches you how to brace for everyday movements. It trains you how to breathe. It trains your spine how to be more stable. This is gonna provide significant support around the disc. And believe it or not, this will probably help you lift heavier in the gym too, because now you're learning how to properly stabilize your core and spine. These two movements are some of the best to immediately reduce your disc bulge and then rebuild your spine for lasting results. And many of you will feel immediate improvement just following this video. But the work isn't done. You can't expect months or years of pain to be resolved with 2 exercises. Yes, they probably helped you a bunch. It helps majority of our clients, but that's not it. You still need a long-term plan to get totally bulletproof, to make sure that you have a solution that you can carry with you so you never find yourself in this situation again. What you need is the centralization process, which tells you exactly what movements need to be done to fully resolve the root issue, and then what we need to do to fully bulletproof your spine for life so that you have a long-term plan to get 100% back into full activity and exercise so that you can live your life the way that you want to. So if you're ready for a long-term fix to your pain, just text me the word pain to 317-751-9509, and you can get a tailored step-by-step plan to permanently fix your back or sciatica issues following our centralization process. You'll start with a free demo with my team just so we can learn more about your situation and figure out exactly what you're missing to finally live pain-free. So do it right now so you don't miss this opportunity. You deserve to feel better, and your family deserves to have you feeling better too. And after you text me, please like the video, subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram at RehabFix for more free daily videos and insights into my life on what I'm doing and how we're helping our clients live back pain-free. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and I'll see some of you in the program real soon.